Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here m power 6 plus 64 is equal to 0 and our task is calculate all possible values of m. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully in left hand side. In left hand side we have a polynomial of degree 6. It means here 6 solutions exist. Now m power 6 plus 64 is equal to 0. Look carefully, here m power 6 and we can write this m power 6 as m power, this 6 is product of 2 times 3 plus, and 64 is 4 power 3 is equal to 0. Look carefully this term. We know that a power m times n, this is equals to a power m bracket power n. According to this rule, we can write this term as m square bracket cube plus 4 cube is equal to 0. Suppose m square is equal to a and 4 is equal to b. Then m square is replaced by a cube plus 4 is replaced by b cube is equal to 0. In left hand side we have a cube plus b cube, and we know that factor of a cube plus b cube is a plus b is multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 0. Now replace this a by m square and replace this b by 4. Then left hand side is m square plus 4 is multiplied by a is replaced by m square bracket power 2 minus this a is replaced by m square and b is replaced by 4 plus, and this b is replaced by 4 square is equal to 0. In left hand side we have m square plus 4 is multiplied by, look carefully this term, here m square bracket square, m square bracket square minus 4 times m square plus, and here 4 square, and value of 4 square is equal to 16. So replace this 4 square by 16 and this is equal to 0. Suppose this term is a and this term is b, and we know that if a into b is equal to 0, this implies a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side, here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, and we know that a is m square plus 4 is equal to 0, or here m square bracket square minus 4 m square plus 16 is equal to 0. If m square plus 4 is equal to 0, then m square is equal to minus 4. Now we know that if a square is equal to b, this implies a is equal to plus minus square root of b. According to this rule, we can write here m is equal to plus minus square root of minus 4. Then m is equal to plus minus square root of minus 4 is 2 times iota. We have value of m is equal to plus minus 2 times iota. Now solve this equation. Replace this m square by x. Suppose m square is equal to x. Then replace this m square by x. Then x square minus 4 times m square is replaced by x plus 16 is equal to 0. Here m is x square minus 4x, and we can write this 16 as sum of 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. Here x square minus 4x plus 4, and if we take this 12 in right hand side, then this is minus 12. In left hand side we have x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to minus 12. Look carefully this quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is perfect square. Here we will apply middle term split and make factor. X square minus 4x is minus 2x plus 4 is equal to minus 12. Look carefully first two terms. Here x is common factor. If we take common x, then x square divided by x, then here x minus 2x divided by x, then here minus 2. Look carefully these two terms. Here minus 2 is common factor. If we take common minus 2, then minus 2x divided by minus 2, then here x, 4 divided by minus 2, then you will get minus 2 is equal to minus 12. In left hand side x minus 2 is common factor. If we take common x minus 2, then here x minus 2 is equal to minus 12. Now x minus 2 times x minus 2 is x minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 12. And we know that if a square is equal to b, this implies a is equal to plus minus square root of b. According to this rule, we can write x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of minus 12. Then x minus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of minus 12 is same as 12 times minus 1. X minus 2 is equal to plus minus, we can write this 12 as a product of 4 times 3 times minus 1. X minus 2 is equal to plus minus, this expression is same as square root of 4 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1. X minus 2 is equal to plus minus, square root of 4 is equal to 2, here is square root of 3, and value of square root of minus 1 is iota. Then x is equal to minus 2. This minus 2, if we take right hand side, then this is 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Here value of x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 iota. But we know that x is m square. So replace this x by m square is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Now m square is equal to, we can write this 2 as 3 minus 1 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 iota. In left hand side, m square is equal to 3 minus 1, and here plus minus 2 times square root of 3 iota. M square is equal to, we can write this 3 as square root of 3 square minus, here minus 1, and we know that minus 1 is same as iota square. So replace this minus 1 by iota square. So here iota square plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Now suppose square root of 3 is equal to a and iota is equal to b. In left hand side we have m square is equal to, replace this square root of 3 by a, then a here a square plus iota is replaced by b square plus minus here 2, and replace this square root of 3 by a and iota is replaced by b. M square is equal to, here a square plus b square plus minus 2 times ab, and this is same as a plus minus b whole square. In left hand side, m square is equal to, replace this a by square root of 3 plus minus, replace this b by iota whole square. Now we know that if a square is equal to b square, this implies a is equal to plus minus b. According to this rule, we can write here m is equal to plus minus square root of 3 plus minus iota. Here we have another solution. M is equal to plus minus square root of 3 plus iota, and m is equal to plus minus square root of 3 minus iota, and m is equal to plus minus 2 times iota. This is 2 values of m, here this is 2 value of m, here this is 2 value of m. In this question we have 6 possible values of m, and all possible values of m is imaginary. Here no real solutions exist. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.